directed by the values of the Holy Scripture. Yun po yung yun po yung dapat na maging perspektibo ng isang mangaral na nagki-claim na sa Diyos. Ngayon po kasi marami pong mga aral ng Panginoong Jesucristo ang nilalabag ng leader ng samahan ng MCGI na kinamatayan ng kapatid na Eli Soriano. Yung mismong sinabi po ni Daniel Rason, noong umpisa ng kanyang liderato, sabi niya, mga kapatid, tandaan po ninyo, wag po ninyo akong paghahanapan ng unheard truth. Ampong sasabihin ko lang po sa inyo kung ano yung narinig ko. Sabi po ni Daniel Rason. Which is, hindi po yun ang nangyayari. Taliwas na taliwas. Kahit basahin niyo po ang Biblia, alam niyo po, doon lang po sa Mateo 6:1 hanggang 2, ano na po bagsak na po si Daniel Rason doon. Sobrang bagsak na po. Why? Why are you laughing? You know what is bagsak na bagsak? Bagsak na bagsak means, what is bagsak na bagsak in English?
Your language is funny,
Sorry?
Your language is funny.
My language is funny? So many people are watching with me. That's why I'm trying to talk to them in Tagalog and in English. Yeah. Dalhin mo ang sarili mo sa Diyos, Pathfinder. Yun ang tamang gawin, direct to God ka. Yeah, fall down. One of my viewer now is said the English of bagsak na bagsak is fall down. Yan. Fall down. Like London Bridge is falling down. Yan. London Bridge is falling down. Hello, Sis Fatima Rojas Mationg.
But your speaking public is good, sir.
Really?
Yeah, your speaking public is good.
Okay. Thank you so much. No, I'm just trying. It depends on who I'm talking or speaking with. Because when I'm talking with my boss, his English is very little. That's why I choose simple English that he can understand. Yeah. Yun po. So going back to what I'm saying earlier, napakamarami, ang dami na po kasing mga tinuturo ni Daniel Rason sa kapatiran na pinagkamatayan ni Brother Eli. Like yung pong MCGI Cares na laging may camera. Alam niyo po, meron po kasing mga MCGI Cares na ginagawa nila na pagka po nalaman nila na hindi po pumapayag yung mga ganong institution dahil labag po sa kanilang organisasyon na mag-document, tineturn down po nung mga MCGI Cares organizer. Hindi ko po alam kung alam po yun ni Daniel Rason. Pero most likely, alam po niya kasi sabi po niya, wag niyong sasalangsangin yung desisyon ng aking mga KNP dahil merong kumbasbas yan. So, it means to say that Brother Daniel Rason is or have full responsibility for all of the things or for all of the decisions that his KNP is doing. Yun po. And not only full responsibility but full accountability. Yun po. So, marami po ngayong there are so many members of MCGI now who are not satisfied with what Daniel Rason is doing in his leadership as the presiding minister of Members Church of God International. That is why those brethren who spend all of their lives inside the church and contributed so much